The other thing that is very important for you to understand, and something that is taken very lightly, is their current state of mind. What is their mental health like? What are they dealing with? What are the stress factors? What are their trigger points? These are things that are so important these days, because people don't realize the kind of, so many patients come to us who don't even know that because of the stress that they are undergoing in general in their day-to-day life, they are affecting their teeth indirectly or directly.